feel the heat, yeah.
Dine with Devin. I'm that food guy showing you my favorite recipes.
The comfort of a tuna salad sandwich is wonderful, especially when it is made right and hits all of your taste buds. Here I'll show you how to make a simple tuna sandwich in 3 minutes, including one ingredient that you may not have thought of. Okay, there might actually be 2 ingredients you haven't thought of in this video. While I do tell you about this tuna sandwich and its origin, please follow along on screen to see the ingredients, amounts, and procedures. This recipe will make 2 sandwiches with enough tuna salad left over for 2 more. Okay, let's get into it now. What is a tuna sandwich? Where did it originate from? Well, that becomes a part of American food history, just like many other recipes brought over by immigrants. In Italy, they open a glass jar of tuna and press it into a baguette with fresh vegetables. In Spain, it's made with peppers and sherry vinegar. The French also had their own version. You could be more directly point our American craving for the tuna sandwich to the Italians and Japanese. Prior to 1903, tuna was scarce in America. Some tuna was imported from Italy early on but was in limited supply. A decline in the popular sardine fishery led to some tuna fishing. Early on, Japanese fishermen caught the bulk of albacore off the coast of California. The first can of tuna was produced in 1904 at a small cannery in San Pedro, California. The new abundance of tuna and its availability in cans is what started tuna on its path to become so popular in America. In the 19th century, the common dish chicken and fish salad was swapped out for tuna fish salad. The American tuna salad started showing up on the dinner table. Quickly, yesterday's tuna fish salad ended up between 2 pieces of bread. Popularity grew at home and at lunch counters as a cheap option for a quick lunch. What did you see me do so far? After chopping the vegetables and mixing them with the tuna salad, I shredded iceberg and sliced some TILLAMOOK cheese. I recommend you taste what you have made and adjust it appropriately for your likes. You see here I have added some more relish, Tabasco, and mayo. I like my tuna salad with a medium amount of mayo. In a moment you'll see me spread lots of it onto bread, leaving more flavor coming from the tuna meat. The separate layer of mayonnaise adds a second distinct flavor of the mayonnaise on the bread. You also decide if you want your tuna mixed well, the small shreds, chunky, or somewhere in between. Okay, now let's build the sandwiches. Start with the bread. I've chosen potato bread. My next choice would have been sourdough. You pick your favorite bread and turn it into your own creation. Add the mayonnaise, spreading it well coast to coast on the top piece and the bottom as well. Do this so every bite has an even distribution of that ingredient. So you can make this a healthier version by substituting the mayo in the tuna mix with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of vinegar. It would then become more like an Italian tuna sandwich. Now 2 thick slices of TILLAMOOK cheddar. The iceberg goes on top of the TILLAMOOK cheddar. Slightly squeeze the iceberg so it bunches together. Pickles. I like dill, but bread and butter also work well for the sandwich. Yes, that is tortilla chips right on the sandwich, adding some flavor and also a wonderful crunch to the sandwich. Finish it with a good amount of tuna, as much or as little as you want. I humbly ask for your subscription to my channel. It's free and helps me make more delicious videos. These tuna salad sandwiches look amazing. Now for a bite. Happy dance! It is delicious. Watch this video up here next, now.